Imagine transforming your kitchen with a single appliance that combines the functionality of 4 different devices. This Oster Compact Countertop Oven with a built-in air fryer is here to make that dream a reality. This versatile powerhouse can air fry, bake, broil, and toast, all while fitting neatly on your countertop. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to easy, delicious meals with less oil and more flavor. Intrigued? Let's dive into the details and discover why this oven is a game changer for your kitchen. The Oster Compact Countertop Oven is not just an ordinary oven. It combines a convection oven, air fryer, toaster, and broiler into a single, compact unit. This multifunctionality provides you with numerous cooking options without cluttering your countertop with multiple appliances. Whether you want to bake a cake, toast bread, broil a steak, or enjoy crispy air-fried snacks, this oven has you covered. One of the standout features of this Oster oven is its air frying capability. Traditional frying methods require large amounts of oil, which can lead to unhealthy, greasy foods. The Oster air fryer oven, however, allows you to prepare your favorite fried dishes with up to 99.5% less oil compared to traditional 37L deep fryers. Imagine enjoying crispy French fries, chicken wings, and even vegetables that are not only delicious but also significantly healthier. The Oster Compact Countertop Oven features turbo convection heat technology, which cooks food faster and browns it more evenly than conventional ovens. This technology circulates hot air around the food, ensuring that it is cooked thoroughly and to perfection. Whether you are baking cookies or roasting a chicken, you can trust this oven to deliver consistently excellent results. This oven is designed with user convenience in mind. It has independent dial controls for temperature, cook functions, and timer settings, allowing you to easily adjust and monitor your cooking. The 5 cooking settings include air fry, bake, adjustable broil, toast, and warm, providing you with a wide range of options to suit your culinary needs. The 60-minute timer and adjustable broil feature give you even more control over your cooking, ensuring your meals are prepared exactly as you like them. Despite its versatility, the Oster Compact Countertop Oven is designed to fit seamlessly into small kitchens. It can accommodate a 9-inch pizza or up to 4 slices of bread, making it perfect for small households or individuals. The 3 rack positions provide flexibility for different types of cooking, whether you are toasting, baking, or broiling. Cleaning kitchen appliances can be a tedious task, but the Oster oven makes it easy. The crumb tray is removable, allowing you to quickly dispose of crumbs and other debris. The interior is designed to be wiped clean with minimal effort, so you can keep your oven in pristine condition with ease. Constructed with high-quality materials, this oven is built to last. It contains aluminum, iron, and chromium, which contribute to its durability and efficiency. The oven is also designed with safety in mind, featuring a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off to prevent overcooking and potential hazards. Why choose the Oster Compact Countertop Oven with air fryer? Choosing the Oster Compact Countertop Oven with built-in air fryer means investing in a versatile, efficient, and health-conscious kitchen appliance. Here are some compelling reasons why this oven is a must-have. 1. Space-saving design. Combines 4 appliances in one, saving valuable countertop space. 2. Healthier cooking. Air fries with 99.5% less oil, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying. 3. Efficient cooking. Turbo convection heat technology ensures faster and more even cooking. 4. Versatility. Multiple cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, and warm. 5. User-friendly. Easy-to-use dial controls, adjustable settings, and a 60-minute timer. 6. Compact size. Fits a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, ideal for small kitchens. 7. Easy maintenance, removable crumb tray, and easy to clean interior. Final thoughts. The Oster Compact Countertop Oven with built-in air fryer is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process and enjoy healthier meals. Its multifunctionality, efficient cooking technology, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice in the crowded market of kitchen appliances. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen and experience the convenience and versatility of the Oster Compact Countertop Oven, click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. With the Oster Compact Countertop Oven, you can enjoy delicious, healthy meals with ease. Don't miss out on this innovative appliance. Get yours today and transform your cooking experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.